In this episode, we are going to be talking about frequency and spectral processing in DX. There are two main frequency and spectral processing in DX. We have our FFT element and our advanced digital signal processor. The advanced digital signal processor takes the results from the FFT and performs further processing to improve spectral resolution and accuracy. First, we'll talk about the FFT element. We include a number of settings in our fast Fourier transform element here. We have scaling, which can be peak, peak to peak, or RMS. The default is peak. We have FFT size, again, which defaults to 1024, but we have everything from 128 all the way up to 131.072. I'm going to leave that at 1024 here. We have an FFT overlap and FFT zoom available. The zoom becomes available as you increase the overlap, as you can see here. Again, I'm going to leave that set to 1x. And we have a number of window options available, as you can see here. The default, again, is Blackman-Harris. In our default process, the advanced digital signal processor is automatically included. What the advanced digital signal processor does is parabolically interpolates between spectral lines to improve both resolution and accuracy. So it takes 3 points and it will create a point in between those spectral lines if the peak of that point exists there. The maximum peak setting is how many of these peaks are going to be created per block. We find that 32 is the sweet spot here. And the peak threshold is a threshold above which a peak will be created. We generally leave this fairly low at 0.1. We also have a frequency range, minimum and maximum, that you can set to further tailor this setting. I'll show you a little bit what the advanced digital signal processor does now. So the top plot here is the magnitude and envelope with the peaks or the advanced digital signal processor on, and this plot on the bottom is the FFT only. I have the points selected as dots so that you can really see what's happening here. On the FFT on the bottom, you'll see the points rise up and down, staying on the spectral lines. And on the peaks element, you're able to see these extra peaks being drawn in between the spectral lines. So as I move up through the points with my arrow keys, you are able to see the points created at these peaks in between the spectral lines here. If you would like more information about how this works in particular and the added benefit and some of the math behind it, please don't hesitate to reach out to us to find out a little bit more. An additional benefit of the advanced digital signal processor is much cleaner Campbell diagrams. So here on the left, we have the output from the advanced digital signal processor, which is only the peaks. And on the right, we have the Campbell diagram from the FFT. These are both with the same settings. We get a much more accurate Campbell diagram and a much cleaner Campbell diagram as well.